Hello everyone. Today I will give you a quick overview of cloud computing. Simply put, cloud computing is an on-demand delivery of IT resources over the internet. Instead of setting up local servers and managing hardware, organizations can access computer power, storage, and databases through the cloud. Usually on a pay-as-you-go basis, this approach enables faster innovation, flexibility, and cost saving for business of all sizes. So, why is cloud computing so popular? First, it is cost efficient. Companies don't need to buy or maintain expensive hardware. Next is it is also very highly scalable. You can easily add or remove resources based on your business needs. And since it is cloud based, you can access it from anywhere with an internet connection, providing global access. Plus, cloud providers have systems in place to ensure high reliability with backups and recovery options in case of unexpected downtime. Cloud computing typically comes in three main types: public cloud, private cloud, and hybrid cloud. So, public cloud providers are like Amazon Web Services, Google Cloud, and Microsoft Azure, and they offer services to anyone who wants to purchase them. And private clouds, on the other hand, are used by a single organization and often hosted on their premises. And hybrid cloud combine both, allowing organizations to use a mix of on-premise and cloud solution, which offers greater flexibility and control over data. So let's understand one thing, who all are like really new to this topic. Cloud computing is a very kind of data center which is located remotely. For example, if we talk about AWS, at a very basic level, think it like there is a data center of AWS where it is keeping all its server and all, and through internet, everyone can access those servers as their own on the basis of rent, right? Which they pay to AWS as the landlord, and they can use all those resources, whether it's a database, computing power, a server, an operating system, almost everything in digital world. Now there are also three primary cloud service models. First, infrastructure as a service, or IaaS, and this one gives you virtualized computing resources. Next is platform as a service, and this one provides platform for developing, testing, and deploying applications without the need to manage the underlying infrastructure. And finally, software as a service, or SaaS. This is a software hosted on cloud and managed by the provider like Google Workspace or Microsoft Office 365. Each model serves different business needs, giving flexibility in how companies can adopt cloud services. Now let's talk about some key benefits. So with cloud computing, resources can be deployed much faster, which can improve a company's time to market. It also enhances collaboration by making shared tools and data accessible to teams working remotely. Security is another benefit. Most cloud providers have high security standards with strong encryption and compliance control to keep data safe. Cloud services are structured to help businesses focus more on innovation and less on infrastructure management. However, there are some challenges to consider. Security and privacy is among first of them, because security and privacy can be of concern because data is being entrusted to a third party, and companies need to ensure data governance practices are in place. Another one here is downtime, which is another potential issue as no cloud provider can guarantee 100% uptime. And finally, vendor lock-in. So once a company commits to a cloud provider, it can be really challenging and costly to switch to a different cloud provider, making it essential to carefully choose the right provider from the start. Let's see some real world example to give you a sense of how cloud computing works in real life. Let's look at few of the examples. So Netflix relies heavily on Amazon Web Services to stream content worldwide. The next example here that we are going to see is this Dropbox, which uses cloud storage, allowing users to save and share file across devices. And the another example we are taking here is Zoom, which depend on cloud infrastructure to provide reliable video conferencing on a global scale. These examples shows the flexibility and power of cloud computing across different industries. Looking ahead, the future of cloud computing holds even more possibilities. One big trend is edge computing, which brings processing closer to where data is generated, helping to reduce latency. Cloud providers are also integrating artificial intelligence and machine learning, making services smarter and more automated. And finally, we have serverless computing, where you pay only for the exact resources you use without needing to manage any underlying servers. These advancements continue to make cloud computing more efficient and innovative. Now, to wrap up, cloud computing offers a flexible, cost effective way to access and manage IT resources by using models like IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS, or IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS. Organizations can customize services to fit their needs. Cloud computing provides you major benefits like scalability, speed, and accessibility. And ultimately, cloud is transforming how business and individuals operate in a digital world, though it does come with some challenges. Thank you for your time. I hope this presentation was helpful to you to understand the basic of cloud computing. Now I would be happy to answer any question you have. Feel free to reach out to me in the comment box. Thank you so much.